Good morning, student. Today I am going to solve some more question for chapter number 1, and that question is question number 37. Okay, just see the first question that you will read for yourself. That income receipts and payment account is given, and we are going to make the income and expenditure account. Receipt side, cash in hand, our balance is given, then subscription, donation and interest on investment is given, then proceed for charity show is given, then payment side, medicine, doctor's honorarium, salary, petty expense, occupation, and then expense on charity show and cash in hand last closing. And outside some more information is there. Subscription due, outstanding is there, current year and last year, advance current year and last year, and then stock of material, opening and closing, and then equipment, opening and closing, building, opening and closing. Now we are going to start solving the question. First we are going to make the opening balance sheet, okay? Opening sheet, okay? I think you will remember. First we are showing the cash. That opening cash, that amount is 71,300. Okay, beta? Opening cash, that is the 71,300. Then just see the outside. Stock material. That is the medicine, stock of medicine. That amount is 88,100. Then equipment, and that amount is 212,000. Then building, that amount is 4 lakh. And one more thing is better. Just see. Advance last year, outstanding last year subscription. Okay. Subscription outstanding last year, that amount is 2,400. And advance 640. Okay, beta? It's the last year advance. Clear? I think we will know from where we are taking. Clear, huh? Concept is clear or not? Last year all assets, last year liability. Then just see in income receipts and payment account, interest on investment 7% of full year. Here the interest rate is given and interest amount is given. By that we are going to calculate the investment. Okay, 7% is 70,000. So then 100% beta, 100% 10,000, 10 lakh. Okay, 7% 70,000, then 100%, 100 into, no, okay, let's see, 7%, it's 7% of 70,000, okay, then 100%, 70,000 into 100 upon 7, cut this, then 10 lakh, so that investment, 10 lakh. Okay, just see what amount is coming. $10 lakh for 16 lakh, 16 lakh, 17 lakh 50,000, 17 lakh 60,000, 17 lakh 70,000, 73,000, 17 lakh 73,000, 73,800, and then less that amount. That amount is 008. Okay, 10, 3. Okay, one is remain 15, 16, and 17. One is remain 6, 7, 1. 177380060. 1 is remain 1. Okay, 3771. 1773160. Okay, it's a capital fund. Okay, just go for the income expenditure. Clear, beta? I think it's clear. Only this is the new thing is there, not new things. Already came. Interest is given. On the basis of that interest, we are going to calculate what? We are going to calculate the investment amount. Okay, beta? Now going to start from the income side by subscription. And subscription amount, beta, 479960. Add, just see adjustment, outstanding current year and advance last year. Okay, then outstanding current year is 2800, advance last year is this, then less outstanding last year and add and advance current year, and outstanding last year is 24 and advance 1000. Okay, current year. This amount is 34, this amount is again 34, 40 rupees only add, so 479900 4,80,000. Then go for the next, and next is the donation. So then buy donation 1,45,000. Then buy interest on investment, that amount is 70,000, beta. Then buy proceed for charity, so 1,04,500. Okay, clear? Nothing else for that side. Add 005 9 6 7. Okay, go from this side, expense side. First medicine, then 2 medicines, 3,05,900. Add opening less closing, that opening is 88,100, 97,400. Okay, 88,100 and 97,400. Just take the calculation. Closing will less, na beta. So 97,400 less 88,100, then the amount is 3,7 minus 8, 9,300. Less that 93 from here. Just see. For you, we are going to calculate the things. Okay, beta. 6 in 5, 6, 9, 2, 296, 600. Okay. Then next, Dr. Horonium, that amount is 90,000. Next is salary. Salary 275. Next is petty expense. Petty expense is 4610. Then 2 expense on charity show 7,500, and now last is depreciation. Here depreciation is not given directly. We are going to calculate the depreciation by the seeing of difference between the opening and closing of assets. Okay beta? Here we are going to see the depreciation by the seeing of opening and closing of what? Of the assets. Just see. Equipment, that opening is 2,12,000 and closing is 3,16,000. Okay, and also we are going to just purchase 1,50,000. It means we have old equipment. Just see, we have the old equipment 2,12,000. Okay beta, new you are purchase 150, then total is 362, but we have 316. Okay beta, we have only 316. It means we are charged the depreciation because it's the difference. We should be the value is there for the equipment, that 3,62,000, but here we have only 3,16,000 value of equipment. So that difference amount is what? It's the depreciation of equipment 46,000, and then building. Building is very easy, 4 lakh. Now the value is 3,80,000, then 20,000. Okay beta, take the difference. 79,500 to surplus. Okay, just totaling of this, its total is 2 lakh, 2 to 4 lakh, 5,80,000, 6,50,000, 6,90,000, 7,10,000. Okay, 7,10,000, 7,21,000, 7,26,000, 7,32,000, 38,000, 7,38,000, 7,39,200, 37,000, 36,310. Okay, the less that amount, so that difference amount is 10,90 because of 10. Okay, 66, 12, 5. 6, 6, 12 and 5. Just take the difference. 59, 790. Okay, 59, 790. Okay beta, it's came clear or not? This video is cut, the two videos are sending. Clear or not? How it came? Just take the difference. Now I am going to make the balance sheet. Okay, see the balance sheet. First, capital fund beta, and capital fund amount is 1773,160. Add surplus 59,9,790. Okay, take that outside. 0, 5, 9, 2, 3, 8, 1. And then anything else? Advance subscription. Advance subscription 1000. Okay, beta. Finished? Nothing else, I think. Just see. 0593381. 18,33,950. 18,33,950. Okay. This side, cash amount is 37,750. Then equipment, that amount is 97,400. And then building, that amount is 380. And sorry, that is not equipment, that is a medicine. Equipment, that amount is 3,16,000. Outstanding subscription this year 2,800. Okay, beta. Clear? Anything else? Just see again. Any adjustment is there? No. Subscription finished. All thing is finished. Just totaling 0, 5, 11, 8, 9. 1 is remain. 3, 1, 2 is remain. 3, 2 is remain. And 8. And 1 investment. That value is, remember, 10 lakh and 18,33,950. Okay, on this way we are solve the question. Okay, beta, clear or not? It's a only balance sheet. Okay, clear? After this, just see the next question. It's a small question, how we are going to show the expense in income and expenditure account with his adjustment. Okay, just see. Here the salary is given. Okay, beta. This question is clear or not? This question is clear or not? Tell me about that. Clear, na? All the things, all the assets we are showing this side, liability showing this side, totally. Okay? Okay, go for the next. Okay. Already you solved this question, but I will again explain this type of question. Here salary is given and his outstanding is given and advance. Okay. So then in income expenditure account, how we are going to show? To salary, that amount is 1,60,000. Okay, and then add outstanding current year and advance last year. Okay beta, and less outstanding last year and advance current year. Just show the value. It's for 2021. The 21 is the current year and 20 is last year. Last year outstanding is 15,000. Current year outstanding is 25,000. Last year current year advance is 10,000 and last year advance is 12,000. Okay, last year advance 12,000. Clear? 25, 12 will add 160. Outside 170. Okay, only this. Clear? Clear hai beta? Just see one more question. Salary is given here. To salary 4 lakh. Okay beta? And here salary outstanding 20 and 21 and advance 20. Okay, so then add outstanding current year and less advance current year. First do this, then 62,000 add and 18,000. That's the current year or last year? That's the last year beta. Add both. This advance of last year. The total amount is 480. Okay beta? 480 and then less outstanding of last year. But see, 40,000 outstanding of last year, and see in income receipts and payment account is 1920 salary received 30,000. It means in this 40,000 we are already received 30,000. So only 10,000 is given beta. Only 10,000. So less that 10,000. It's coming 40,000 minus 30,000. So 4,70,000. Okay? Clear? Now we will try to solve the other question, and any problem is there, then tell about that. Okay? It's a 38 and 39. 38, 39 with new book. Okay? 40, 41, 42, 43. You will try it. Any problem is there, then tell about that. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Thank you.